Good afternoon, teachers of Holy Trinity High School. And this video is to show you how to mark the students' attendance as subject teachers. So let us get right into it. So the first thing, of course, naturally you'd have to log into your renweb account. So that's step one, if you'd like to say. Then I click on the menu bar, which is these triple horizontal lines. Then I will click on Classroom. And then I will click in the search area and I will type the name of the course, as you can see. Then I will select the course. Then I will select attendance. See, attendance. Are you looking? Attendance. Well, I had went ahead and marked some of these students already, but I can remark this. Let's say I want to tell if Adriel Bennett was present or absent for Thursday, October 29, 2020. Then I will select here. But suppose he was present for a day before that. I select here, and then I can choose the day which the student was present for. But let us choose the 29th. Alright? Or let me choose a day that the student was in fact present for. Okay, so I'm going to choose Tuesday, October 27th. Alright? And I'm using marking for the day. Now, of course, you could mark for the week if you wish, but we are recommending that you mark for the day. Alright? So, let's say that, well, on that day, Ariel Bennett was absent. So I choose A. Right there. So if you notice, that information was automatically saved. Brittany Brown was present for that day, so I'll choose P. And I click in the area. Good. Now, Rupert Brown was also present, so I'll choose P. And of course, I'll scroll down from here for the other students. Shay Dixon was also present. Now, what if a student was absent? Then I'll choose A. And then I'll go to Johnson, or Donald Johnson rather. And it save automatically. So that is all you have to do. That's all you have to do. Kenny was present. I'll choose P. Click it again. Good. Orville was present too. Zachary Palmer was also present. Jessica Ruddock was present too. But let us say that Amika Sanderson was absent, but she had an excuse. So she probably had an excuse. Maybe she didn't have any internet, light went, no Wi-Fi access or anything. So we click on AE, which means absent with excuse. And that's it. Easy 1, 2, 3. In my next video, I'll show you how the form teachers can view such information. Thank you very much for viewing this video recorded on behalf of Holy Trinity teachers from Distance Education. Goodbye.